So problem one, the flow of water in a stream is 210,000 liters per hour. Use scientific notation to calculate the amount of water that flows in a week, which is 168 hours. All right, so let's kind of write down what we know. So question number one, we know that the flow of the water is 210,000 liters per hour. And we need to know how much will be in a week, and we know that a week is 168 hours. So 1 week equals 168 hours. All right. So now we can convert so that we know how much is flowing in a week. So 210,000 liters over 1 hour times, we know that there's 168 hours in 1 week, and we want to end up with per week. So the way we do this with dimensional analysis is that whatever is the unit of the bottom thing needs to be the unit of the top thing beside it, and whatever is the unit of the top thing needs to be the unit of the bottom thing beside it, or a conversion factor. So our conversion factor has to get rid of something. So we need to get rid of hours in favor of weeks. And so the way we're going to do that is with that conversion factor that it gave us, which said that 168 hours is equal to 1 week. And so because we have hours on top here and hours on the bottom here, they cancel each other out for the units, and we're left with liters per week. So liters, and then the bar is per, and then week. So now we just multiply across, and we say 210,000, so 210,000 times 168 equals, and that is 35,280,000 liters per week. Now, we've got to look at our significant figures. So if we look at 210,000, the only significant figures are the 2 and the 1. So trailing zeros are not significant. And then we have 168, so all 3 of these digits are significant. But our answer cannot have more significant figures in it than the lowest number of significant figures in the problem. So now we have to get this to be just 2 significant figures. And the way we do that is with scientific notation. So I can say 3.5 times 10, and it needs to be a power of 10. And I just count the number of spaces that I have to move my decimal. So I wrote 3.5 because remember I can only have one non-zero digit ahead of the decimal point. And I am rounding so that I have 2 significant figures. So I look from the 5 to the 2. The 5 stays the same, so that's why I got 3.5. And then I'm multiplying it times the power of 10. And so I've got to figure out what the power of 10 is. And that power of 10 is found by how many places I move the decimal point. So I have to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 3.5 times 10 to the 7th liters per week.